When you find your content and it's something you care about strongly, I believe that it would take you more than one collage to say it. And that's why there's a beauty in working in a series. The beauty is in that you cannot predict where you're going to end up. You just can't predict it. And to me, that is beautiful. Collage is so accessible and so versatile. There's so many ways you can make a collage, so many ways you can use the papers you have. That's why this workshop has been designed to help you take all those papers and try to find out what you like, that you can express at a more personal level, something that you care about. I think that Wabi Sabi collage really changed my whole direction of my work. What frustrated me the most was that I would create my collage, I didn't always feel a connection to it or anything personal. And when I finally started thinking about my connection to my Japanese heritage, when I hand paint the papers I have now, I feel a stronger connection to my work. I feel like I'm getting more of who I am onto my collages. And that is what I'm hoping to share with you in this workshop. The workshop is about Wabi Sabi, hand painting papers, and composing your collages. But what it's really about is how you start to find your own voice and your own identity and your content. I've designed the sections to build on top of each other. So in the beginning, you're introduced to what is Wabi Sabi, what is Buro. We take you to Japan a few times and see some of the temples and gardens, and we filmed the process of handmade papers. So I thought if you saw what I see in Japan, when I talk about what is Wabi Sabi and when I talk about Buro and the Japanese elements of design, that they would make more sense to you. Perhaps you would understand more where I'm coming from. Hopefully we'll have some inspiration for you as well. I talked to you about the importance of that first piece of paper and how you start with your most important part, the one that is going to be the midatsu or sweet spot in your collage, the focal point, and that's the message you're trying to convey. And the elements and principles of design and composition will help you and guide you as to what to put next and what to put next to that. Because I believe that you should have a reason for every piece of paper you put down. It's one of those type of workshops where you don't need a lot of supplies, just some papers, some glue, and something to glue on. So if you are an artist who's maybe feeling a little lost right now, or you're looking at a new medium to try, or you have been a collage artist for many years, but you're feeling sort of stuck, I think this workshop will really help stimulate you. It will help you going in a direction you might not have explored before with Wabi Sabi and the washi papers. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know you. And hopefully I can help inspire you to bring more of who you are into your work. Come join me on this journey together.